Are you tired of sad, flavorless burgers on your camping trips? What if the secret to perfect on-the-go grilling was just one decision away? Today, we're embarking on a crucial mission to find the absolute best portable grill of the year. The market is flooded with options, from classic charcoal kettles to high-tech gas and electric models, all promising to be your perfect outdoor companion. But which ones actually deliver? I've put 7 of the most popular and highly rated portable grills to the ultimate test, cooking everything from steaks and burgers to chicken and veggies. So, let's fire them up and find the king of portable grills. 7. Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill. This grill is essentially the classic Weber kettle's little brother, shrunk down for life on the go. It boasts an 18-inch diameter cooking grate, giving you 240 square inches of cooking space, which is a generous amount for a portable charcoal model. When I first unboxed it, the legendary Weber build quality was immediately apparent. The porcelain enameled bowl and lid feel sturdy and are designed to retain heat, which is a huge plus for charcoal grilling. Assembly was a breeze. It took me less than 10 minutes, and I was ready to get my coals started. One of the standout features is the tuck-and-carry lid lock system. This metal handle swings up to lock the lid in place for transport, and when you're grilling, it doubles as a convenient lid holder so you don't have to place your hot lid on the ground. In practice, this is a fantastic design choice that makes carrying it from the car to the campsite feel secure and simple. When it comes to performance, the Jumbo Joe gives you that authentic, smoky charcoal flavor that gas grills just can't replicate. The adjustable dampers on the top and bottom provide surprisingly good temperature control, allowing you to go from searing hot for steaks to a more moderate temperature for chicken with a bit of practice. It's a simple, no-fuss machine that does one thing and does it well: grill with charcoal. Number 6. Onlyfire Charcoal BBQ Grill. This one stands out immediately with its rectangular hibachi-style design, a departure from the classic kettle shape. It's constructed from stainless steel and feels reasonably sturdy, with a simple setup that has you ready to grill in minutes. The main appeal here is the direct, intense heat you can get for things like skewers, yakitori, or a quick sear on steaks and chops. The grill comes with a grid lifter, which is a thoughtful touch for adjusting or adding coals mid-cook. It's lightweight, compact, and designed for straightforward, no-frills grilling. During my tests, the Onlyfire performed as expected for a hibachi-style grill. It got hot fast, and the stainless steel cooking grate was easy to clean. There's a certain appeal to this style of cooking. It's very engaging and communal. I could see this being a huge hit at a picnic where everyone can gather around and grill their own items. The included backplate also acts as a decent wind blocker, which is helpful in gusty conditions. It's a very elemental grilling experience, focusing purely on fire and food, and for certain types of meals, it's incredibly fun to use. However, the simplicity of the Onlyfire is both its strength and its weakness. There is no lid, which means smoking, roasting, or any kind of indirect cooking is completely off the table. This is a one-trick pony, and that trick is direct, high-heat grilling. If you want to cook a thick chicken breast without burning the outside while the inside remains raw, you're going to have a tough time. Number 5. Cuisinart Chef-Style Tabletop Portable Propane Gas Grill. This grill marks a significant step up in power and convenience. From the moment you set it up, which takes less than 10 minutes with no tools required, you can tell this is a serious piece of equipment. It's a tabletop grill, but it delivers the performance of a much larger unit thanks to its 2 powerful stainless steel burners, which combine to produce an impressive 20,000 BTUs of heat. This is a game changer in the portable grill world. The dual burners are independently controlled, which is a feature I absolutely love. This allows you to create 2 distinct heat zones, a crucial capability for sophisticated grilling. I was able to sear steaks over high heat on one side, while gently warming buns or cooking vegetables on the other. This level of control is something you rarely find in portable models, and it opens up a huge range of cooking possibilities. The grill also features an integrated thermometer, taking the guesswork out of preheating and cooking, and a reliable twist-start ignition that fired up every single time. The stainless steel cooking grates are also excellent, providing even heat distribution and creating beautiful sear marks. Weighing in at just 22 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight for its power, and the locking lid, folding legs, and comfortable carrying handle make it genuinely portable. I took this grill to a local park, and the setup and teardown were completely hassle-free. The 275 square inches of cooking space provided plenty of room to cook a full meal for a small group of friends. Four, Cuisinart Petite Gourmet Portable Gas Grill. If the chef-style grill was about power, the Petite Gourmet is all about ultimate portability. This is, without a doubt, one of the most convenient and easy-to-transport grills I have ever tested. Its defining feature is its briefcase-style design. The legs fold up and lock into place, allowing you to carry it with one hand like a small suitcase. It's incredibly lightweight and compact, making it the perfect companion for anyone with limited storage space, like apartment dwellers, or for activities like solo camping trips or picnics. Despite its small stature, the Petite Gourmet provides a respectable 145 square inches of grilling space, which Cuisinart claims can handle 8 burgers at a time. In my testing, that was a bit of a squeeze, but I could comfortably cook for 2 to 3 people without any issue. It features a single 5500 BTU stainless steel burner, which might not sound like much, but I found it was perfectly adequate for grilling basics like burgers, sausages, and chicken breasts. The porcelain enameled grate provides a nice, non-stick surface that's easy to clean. The standout feature here is really the Versa stand, an integrated telescoping stand that allows you to use it as either a tabletop grill or a freestanding unit. This is a brilliant piece of design, offering a level of versatility that many other grills lack. Setting it up is intuitive and fast, and the grill feels surprisingly stable when the legs are fully extended. 3. Coleman Gas Grill, Portable Propane Grill, RoadTrip. This grill is a common sight at campsites and tailgate parties across the country, and after extensive testing, it's easy to see why. The RoadTrip series strikes an incredible balance between full-size features and genuine portability. Its most recognizable feature is the collapsible scissor leg frame with rugged wheels, which allows you to roll it effortlessly across parking lots or bumpy campgrounds, and then set it up to a comfortable grilling height in seconds. The RoadTrip 285 model I tested packs a serious punch with 3 independently controlled burners that deliver a total of 20,000 BTUs across a generous 285 square inch cooking area. Having 3 adjustable zones gives you an immense amount of control, rivaling what you'd expect from a home grill. You can have a high heat searing zone, a medium heat cooking zone, and a low heat warming zone, all at the same time. The push-button Insta-Start ignition works flawlessly, and the porcelain-coated cast iron grates are heavy-duty and do a great job of retaining and distributing heat. Perhaps the most compelling feature of the RoadTrip line is the swap-top interchangeable cooktop system. This is where the grill's versatility truly shines. You can swap out the standard grill grates for a griddle or even a stove grate sold separately. This transforms your grill into a complete outdoor kitchen. I was able to grill burgers for dinner and then swap in the griddle top to cook pancakes and bacon for breakfast the next morning. 2. Napoleon TravelQ Pro 285E. Napoleon is a brand that is often associated with high-end, premium home grills, and they have brought every bit of that quality and engineering prowess to this portable electric model. From the moment you lift it, the build quality is undeniable. The body is made of cast aluminum, which is fantastic for heat retention, and the entire unit feels incredibly solid and durable. This isn't just a portable grill, it's a compact grilling powerhouse. The E in Pro 285E stands for electric, which might make some purists skeptical, but my testing proved this grill is more than capable. It heats up quickly and delivers surprisingly high searing temperatures, easily matching many of its propane counterparts. The standout feature is its 285 square inches of cooking space, which is ample room for about 17 burgers. The cooking grates are Napoleon's iconic porcelainized cast iron wave grids. This wave pattern not only creates distinctive sear marks, but also provides more even heating and prevents smaller food items like asparagus or shrimp from falling through. A brilliant and practical design feature. What truly sets the TravelQ Pro apart is the level of cooking performance it offers. It features dual stainless steel tube burners in the propane version, or a powerful electric element that, combined with the high-top lid, allows for true two-zone and indirect cooking. I was able to roast a whole chicken on this grill, something that is simply impossible on most other portable models. One, Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill. Weber didn't just shrink one of their existing grills. They engineered the Traveler from the ground up to solve every pain point of grilling on the go, and the result is a masterpiece of design and functionality. It expertly blends a massive cooking area with unparalleled ease of transport, creating a product that feels like it's in a class of its own. This grill is the Cadillac of portable grills, and it has earned that title. The magic of the Traveler is its all-in-one cart and grill design with a one-handed setup and collapse mechanism. It's built on a scissor leg chassis that folds down incredibly flat with an automatic latch that locks the grill lid shut for transport. To set it up, you simply unlatch it and lift. The gas-assisted strut helps raise it smoothly into position. The large, all-weather wheels make moving it across grass, gravel, or pavement an absolute dream. Despite its size and weight of 47 pounds, it is the easiest grill on this list to move and set up, which is a monumental achievement in engineering. Once upright, you're greeted with a massive 320 square inch cooking surface, enough space to cook 15 burgers at once. This is a larger cooking area than many small, permanent backyard grills. It's more than enough space to feed a large family or a group of friends at a tailgate. The single 13,000 BTU burner and porcelain enameled cast iron grates heat up quickly and evenly, hitting 500 degrees Fahrenheit in just a few minutes and holding that temperature steadily. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.